Welcome back, guys. It's good to see you all. Today I'm going to read you a book about, what do you think our book is going to be about today? I see some ladybugs and some caterpillars. Did you guess bugs? My book is called The Best Bug Parade by Stuart J Murphy, illustrated by Holly Keller. The Best Bug Parade. I am big. What color is this bug? You're right, he's red. I am bigger than you are. What color is this bug? He's green, isn't he? I am the biggest bug by far. The red bug was big. This green bug was bigger. But this green bug is the biggest of them all. Good. Wow, it looks like they're having a parade. I am small. I am smaller than small. What color are his wings? You're right, they're black and yellow. I am the smallest bug of them all. The red bug is small. This bug is smaller. And this bug is the smallest of them all. And here they are in the parade. Better. I am long. The caterpillar says, I am longer than you. Uh-oh. Do you see somebody else coming along? But I am the longest bug in view. Long, longer, longest. Best. Look at the parade. I am short. I am shorter than short. Do you see another bug coming along? Let's see. I am the shortest bug of this sort. Short, shorter, shortest. Look at the parade now. Good, better, best. When we are all together, long, short, big, small, we are not just good or better. We are the best bug parade of all. And that's the end of our story. So in our story today, we saw some bugs that were small, smaller, and smallest. We saw some bugs that were long, longer, and longest. And we saw some bugs that were big, bigger, and biggest. Did you know that you can go around your house and find different things that are different sizes? I have some cars here I'd like to show you. I have one big tomato. I have another tomato, and he's a little bit bigger. And then I have one more. Would you like to see him? Here he is. He is the biggest tomato. So I have big, bigger, biggest, and they can have a parade. So today around your house, if you have cars, you can line them up by big, bigger, biggest. If you have dolls, you can line them up by the smallest doll to the biggest doll. Or in your family, you can say, who's the youngest and who's the oldest? So see if you can have your own parade in your house today. Bye guys, see you later.